Have you noticed that the search bar in the app drawer looks different on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? If you open the app drawer, you might see that the search bar is now located at the bottom of the screen instead of the top. This small change actually makes it easier to search for apps, especially when using your phone with one hand. Let me show you where it is and how it works. While you are on your home screen, swipe up to open the app drawer where all your apps are listed. Now, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see the search bar placed right there. Before, the search bar was usually at the top of the screen, which could be harder to reach on large phone. But now, Samsung moved it to the bottom area, making it easier to access with your thumb. To find an app quickly, just tap the search bar. Then start typing the name of the app you want to open. For example, if you type camera, the phone will instantly show the camera app in the search result. Just tap the app and it will open instantly. This small design change on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra helps make app searching faster and more comfortable, especially on a large display. So if you have many apps installed, using the search bar in the app drawer is one of the quickest ways to find the app you need. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.